babes, what's up? This is Shrestha and welcome back to my channel, and you're watching the 4th episode of Winter Fade 2020. Today's video is going to be very interesting because in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 best natural vitamin C sources for skin in winter. I know there are different kind of vitamin C sources out there, but I feel that these particular three sources are easy to find, easy to use, and affordable, and have great impact in skincare, healthcare and hair care as well. But why am I talking about vitamin C specifically? Because vitamin C can ward off cough, cold and other wintry diseases, cures many skin problems, repairs and maintains bones and teeth, and protects the skin from the harmful UV rays of sun. So I feel that this is the best time of the year to use vitamin C. So the first source is tomato. We all love tomatoes. It gives the skin complete protection from winter dullness. It is rich in antioxidants, so it helps in improving level of circulation in facial tissues. And it contains high contents of vitamin C and potassium. And the best part is that it gives you a natural blushy look. Isn't it a good part about tomatoes? I guess it's. Now I'll tell you how you can use this tomato for your skin in winter. Okay, so what I like to use to smash it in the grinder and apply the paste on my overall face and just wash it. But what happens with sensitive skin and dry skin, they just can't adopt the rawness of any natural product. So it's better to use better to mix it with something like yogurt or turmeric or honey, like that. The first tomato mask is with honey. What you have to do, just first cut the tomatoes in slices and then importantly scoop out all the seeds within. Then mix it in the grinder and lastly add some honey as per your measurement into the overall tomato mixture, and then mix it very well, and lastly apply the overall paste on your face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it with lukewarm water and you are done. This particular mask will help you to restore your skin's lost moisture, and you will feel there is a pinkish glow on your overall face. Second tomato mask is with turmeric. The overall process is same like before, but the new part is you have to add turmeric in the place of honey, and that's all. But keep one thing in mind, that you have to mix the overall thing thoroughly until the paste turns even. If you use this particular face pack thrice or twice a week, you'll observe reduction in blemishes and acne as well. Isn't it good news for acne prone skin? So girls and boys, please use this face pack at least for twice or thrice a week. The third tomato mask is with yogurt. This tomato and yogurt mask works just the same like the turmeric and honey mask, but I feel that the turmeric and honey mask work more than the yogurt one. So I would suggest you to use this overall face pack once a week and you're done. The second best source of vitamin C in winter is orange. Yes, first tell me how many of you guys are done with orange, because I am so done. Wherever I look, the orange is everywhere. Like my home has become an orange house, I feel. So please tell me, like, are you guys done with orange, or am I the only person right now? Because this happens every day. So I am so done. But jokes apart, this orange has great impact on our skin, on our food habits, on our hair care. Not hair care, I think it's good for skincare and food in our health routine, because I haven't used orange in my hair care till now. Jokes apart, I love oranges. Like, who doesn't love orange? Like, if you don't love orange, just don't talk to me. We can't be friends anymore. But trust me, I love oranges. That was a joke. So what I do, basically, I like to rub the raw orange peel on my overall face, because it really does work well in that way. And on the other hand, my skin or face doesn't feel any itchiness after using the raw orange peel. So I prefer to use the raw stuff rather than making a mask, because people like me will find 1% of even chance just not to work more. I know that raw orange peel is not suitable for every kind of skin type, so there is one face pack with orange that I know and I have used before, and it really worked well, like worked like magic. So what you have to do, you have to take orange peel, better to grind it in the grinder like the dust. You have to use the orange peel dust, or you can just grind it in the grinder, and then you have to mix it with the yogurt, and you are done. Like then this just apply the overall paste on your face and then wash it with lukewarm water, and yeah, as I told you, are done. This particular face pack can give you clear, clean and toned up skin, and as it instantly rejuvenates, so you can apply this face pack before a big event or a party for instant glow up. The last best source is lemon. Because lemon is rich in vitamin C, so it helps to reduce the blemishes, acne, dark circles and wrinkles as well. Now I'll tell you about 3 ways of using a lemon in face pack. The first lemon face pack is for dry, combination, sensitive and normal skin type for healthy and glowing skin. What you have to do, take first 3/4 of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of honey and half teaspoon of lemon juice, and then mix the overall mixture until it turns even, and then apply it on your overall face with the help of brush, and then wash it with the lukewarm water, and you are done. And to get better result, apply this mixture thrice a week, and yeah, that's good for you. This lemon face pack helps to cure many skin problems that get in the way of glowing skin. It removes blackheads, wrinkles and gives you a clearer skin and fights dryness as well. This second face pack is particularly for oily skin type, so please concentrate on what I am saying. First, take half tablespoon of Fuller's Earth or Multani Mitti, half tablespoon of lemon juice and pure rose water, and then apply the overall mixture on your face, and then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes again, and then wash it with lukewarm water, and you are done. You can use this face pack 1 to 2 times a week. Multani Mitti and lemon together have oil absorbing properties which helps to remove the excess oil. That's why this face mask is perfect for oily skin types, and it also increases the blood circulation that leads to brighter skin. The last face pack is for tan removal, and it suits any skin type, so there will be no issue. So first, take aloe vera extract or aloe vera gel. I know that there will be problem of taking aloe vera extract, so if your skin is prone to aloe vera extract, so better you avoid it and take aloe vera gel and mix it with lemon juice. The 5 to 6 drops of lemon juice is fine, and then apply the overall paste on your face with the help of brush, and then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it with lukewarm water, and you are done. As there are no side effects of aloe vera gel, so you can use this face pack daily, but my opinion is to avoid lemon face pack as much as you can, because lemon has bleach factors and it can make your skin a bit of reddish. So try to avoid any kind of lemon face pack daily, and you can apply these face packs thrice or twice a week, and that will be fine for you. So these are the 3 best natural vitamin C sources for skincare, hair care and health care as well, but specifically for skincare in winter. So if you love this video, or if you find this video useful, then please give it a thumbs up and share with everyone, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos and fashion videos as well. So see you in the next video next week. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy and live gorgeous.